Hey, what's going on, everyone? Hope you're doing fantastic today. My name is Tyson, here with Repair My Funnel, and today we're going to be diving into the world of communities inside of ClickFunnels 2.0. Now, specifically, actually, we're going to be talking about how to go in and customize and make sure that your community enrollment email that is sent out automatically is as you want it, with the right branding and the right messaging and all that good stuff. Before we dive in, I have something awesome for you. It is our Quick Start Blueprint ebook. It's the ultimate guide for your service-based business looking to get set up online the right way without all the tech headaches. Whether you're just starting out or trying to improve upon what you've already set up, this ebook is packed with a bunch of tips, tricks, and overall strategies that can help you grow your business. You can grab your free copy below by clicking the link in the description. With that said, let's go and dive into the video. Starting off on our ClickFunnels dashboard, let's go and click on Workspace Settings in the bottom left-hand corner of the screen. From there, we'll be brought to our general settings, and we'll see a new set of menu items on the left-hand navigation. Now, the next thing we want to click here is going to be System Emails. It's going to be right here in between Shipping and Styles. Just click on that directly, and it'll bring you to this page right here. Now, the next thing we have to do is click on Community. The tabs up here, you'll see a few listed, but the one we're looking for directly is Community. Now, from this view right here, we can do two things. The first item is going to be to disable the actual email, so that way people do not receive a notification or an email when they are enrolled in a community. If you want to turn it off, just click on this button right here, and it will essentially take care of the rest for you. Now, the second thing that we can achieve from this view is going in and editing the actual email. If you wanted to, just click on the name of the email itself or the pencil icon, and it'll bring us to the next page where we can then make customizations to the email body or the subject line. Either one is up for grabs there. You can adjust either one to your liking. Now let's start with the email body. Just go ahead and click on Customize right here in the center of the screen. Once the email editor loads, you can go in and then adjust anything that you see here in the email, right? Such as the branding, right? If you want to switch this out for your own brand, your own image there, you can. Just click on this directly. From there, go in and click on Change Image, and then you can go in and select the image or upload one that you would like to use. All right. After that, it'll then show here instead. Actually, I'll just show you as an example, I guess. Let's go in and grab, I don't know, this one. It's not a logo or anything, but let's pretend it is. All right. If it was, that's what would be displaying there. If you want to go and adjust anything within here or add specific content elements, you can. Just click on Content over here, and you'll see a bunch of different elements that you can drag and drop into the email body itself. Right? So if you want to add maybe a new image, you can. Just drag, drop, paste, and just like that, you can go in and add another image in that new location. Any of these are for grabs. Any of them will work here. Just customize the email to your heart's content. Now, there are two existing elements on this email that I'd probably stay clear from editing, and it's going to be the community name merge tag right here, and then the button link location. For this one right here, this is a merge tag that's going to essentially pull in the correct community name based off of what they're actually enrolled in. So it's going to make your life a lot easier, and especially if you're running multiple communities inside of ClickFunnels, it will display the correct name based off of what people are actually given access to. So keep that in mind. You can change it. You can go in and customize it. You can make it larger. You can change the text size, whatever, or the boldness of it. You can adjust it to your heart's content. But again, I would keep it in mind that I probably wouldn't stray too far if you want this to be a dynamic element. All right. The next item I mentioned was going to be the button here. You can change the text, you can change the coloration, you can change the size, all the aspects around that element. But the one thing I wouldn't adjust is going to be the actual link type or the link location here. It's going to be magic_link_URL in curly brackets. And what this really does is when someone clicks on the button, it will bring them to the corresponding community that they've just been given access to. So it's going to be specific per person as they click on it, and it's just going to take them right in to view the community itself. So you can adjust it, you can get crazy. Don't take this as you absolutely cannot adjust it, but I would be cautionary as far as going in and making any adjustments to those two if you want these to be dynamic from community to community. All right, there's that. That's the only caution I have for you. Other than that, once you're done, go ahead and click on Publish and Exit. And once we do, it should bring us right back to the overview. There we go. And the last thing we have to do to make sure that this email that we've just created is live and active is click on this toggle switch here. to implement our new custom template. Once you click on that, it should show up as blue, just like that, and toggle to the right. After that, once you save, this is going to be the new email that's actually sent out to your users. All right, the last thing to mention here is going to be the subject line. You can go in and adjust this as well. And if you want to add dynamic components to this, such as maybe their name or maybe the community itself, you can. Just click in this field and then click on merge tags here. And you should see the available merge tags that you can use at your disposal, right? You can use their name, their email, the group name itself. There's a bunch here that you can go in and use to customize how the subject line displays on the user side. All right. Now, let's say that you hate all the adjustments you've made and you want to just go back to square one. You can, which is good news in case you get crazy and you decide to do something outlandish and you realize, well, maybe it's not the right time for that, and I want to start from ground zero. There's gonna be a little button over here that allows you to reset the email to default. Just click on this and it will do exactly that. It'll prompt you to let you know that, hey, we're gonna actually go ahead and remove all the things we've done so far, and you will lose all customizations. After that, just click on proceed, and it'll go back to its default routes for that specific email. Now, once someone is enrolled in your community, here's the email in its live form as far as what it'll look like in their inbox. Right from there, they'll just click on the button and it will take them directly to the community itself. Right? Just like that. Boom. And that concludes our video for today. If you have any questions around anything that we have done so far or anything around the ClickFunnels ecosystem, whether it's 2.0 or Classic, let me know down below in the comment section and I'll point you in the right direction. All right. With that said, have a fantastic rest of your day and I will see you in the next video.